good? What's good? What's good? It's your boy AK Juggy, AK Mr. Arkansas, AK Boosie Mania. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Hit the heart button, subscribe to my channel. And hit the all the way around button, subscribe to my channel. June 2nd, 2026. I just got through watching something that happened this Saturday. May the 30th, 2026. Out there at ATL. Shout out to ATL. A 66-year-old grandma was stabbed 18 times and cut her throat by a 25-year-old guy. On a train. The 66-year-old lady's name is Margaret Swan. She didn't bother nobody. She was going home on a train by a sorry, nappy-headed, fake thug named Johnny Matthews. Stabbed this lady 18 times on a train and cut her throat like it's a horrible. People seen it on a train and didn't help her. That's sad, man. Took this lady, she was a grandma and great grandma. She had 3 kids. The lady rode the train all the time. This bothers me, man. This right here bothers me. Now, then the crazy part, the system ain't nothing. If the system don't do nothing to that dude and let him get out, because people feel sorry for him, they need to go to the same spot he need to go, to heal. They always letting these those sorry jackasses get away with this type of mess. This lady's 66 years old, going home on a train, don't know him, don't bother him, don't eat, didn't even look at him. Minding her business, and this man stabbed her 18, well, he ain't no man. He's a sorry, fake dog. A sorry dog that stabbed this lady 18 times with a damn knife and cut her throat in front of a bunch of people on a damn train, and nobody helped this lady. Now they talking about put securities on train for people like elderly people or anybody like her. Why did it take so damn long to do it? This lady could have been saved on the train and she would have been alive today. Instead, she died on Saturday, May the 30th, 2026. 66 years old. 66. The jackass who did it was only 25. A dog named John Matthews. And the sister wonder why the family members, friends want to do stuff when stuff happens to people like this. They wonder why people always want revenge. Is that people like this? Because apparently nobody wants to do nothing. It seems like to me the police scared of these people, the government scared of these people, the mayor scared of these people, the jury scared of these people, the law scared of these people. What kind of law you want? What kind of law do we get if you can't do nothing about it? This lady was minding her own business going home. A 66-year-old lady named Margaret Swan. Had grandkids, great-grandkids. She had kids. People that cared for this lady. She had friends. And a sorry, nothing-ass dog get on there and take this lady's life on a train in front of a bunch of people that didn't help her. Now I know somehow on that train could have helped that lady. Seeing this lady getting outpowered, stabbed on a train. I feel sometimes like Stark Marcus Steve said, only the Dynamite Reason China. It's stuff like this that piss me off. It's stuff like this that piss me off. Innocent people who get shot, killed, stabbed, jumped on, beat on for nothing. And wind up dying because sorry dogs like that did it. I feel like him. What he said. He don't need to go, what? Buries it. He need to be in the dirt right now. Won't waste no time. Put his butt in an electric chair and let him get fried. He don't deserve to be on death row. He don't deserve to eat nothing. He don't deserve to do nothing but to die. And he looks stupid as hell taking a jailbird picture they showed on TV. Because he didn't give a damn what he did. See, that's why I get on our videos. That's why I get on this. To talk about stuff like this as it happens every day and nobody doing nothing about it. But the family and friends who want to do something about it, but you want to stop them from doing it. You know what I tell y'all? You know what I tell them? Tell the government, the hell with that. Let them do what they want to. Let him do what they let her family, Miss Margaret Swan family, do what they want to. He don't need to be breathing. He don't need to eat. He don't need to be laying up in no prison. Let him get rid of it. Let his family worry about the same way that his family feel the same way they family feel about Miss Swan. This lady's 66 years old. Minding her own damn business on a train going home, but she ride every day. Ain't bother nobody. And this fool had a nerve to stab her 18 times, then cut her throat in front of people like it's a horror movie. People might think I'm crazy and wrong for saying this. But how she died, worse to him. But I bet you, I guarantee you, her family is something at the bitch. When they go to that court, when he go to court, her family somebody gonna jump over that bench. There's probably be 2 or 3 of them, maybe 10 or more rushing, try to do something to that boy, and ain't nobody gonna be able to save him. In a courtroom. Yes, I said. Because he deserved it. They deserve to get revenge on him like crazy. And I don't even condone violence. But stuff like this, man, got to be stopped. The governor's not going to do nothing about it. The mayor's not going to do nothing about it. The police damn sure ain't going to do nothing about it. And the court system ain't going to do nothing about it. All they going to do is try to claim they're going to stop the violence when the violence keep going. That woman's family is hurting over it. How you gonna how you think her kids feel when they got a call knowing this jackass stabbed their mama to death and cut her throat? You think they should want to do that to him? But the answer to the law, you get locked up. You go to prison for that. But this nigga doing some stuff, no apparent reason, out of the blue, and it stabbed his lady to death. Man, I pray for this. I will be praying for this lady's family, but I won't be praying for him. If I was him, if he go to that courtroom and he see them folks, her family sitting there, he better be prepared to get barbecued. Cause somebody gonna do something to his butt, and they need to. And what's killing me, why is nobody helping these folks on the train? Why is nobody helping this lady on the train when she got stabbed the first time? So they need to, her family need to be suing the train system who she was on. I forgot what they said the name of the train out there in ATL. They need to be sued or something. But they should have had some protection on it. You know, these people get on here do all that stuff and don't give a damn. Somebody needs to be sued. The government, somebody needs to be sued. Because this don't make no damn sense here. It don't. 18 times. He cut her throat like she was a cow or a pig. I'll put it like this. The devil might have your soul, but the family gonna have your ass. This your boy, AK Jamie, AK Mr. Arkansas, AK Bishop Man. Like I said, the devil might have your soul, but Miss Margaret Swan family have your ass.